Yes, hello, we are back with another ski-free machine learning video. Here's where we ended up last time. We've got a skier, but it's not really going through the trees nicely like we wanted. And I think the reason it didn't turn out very well is because we tried to add too many things at once. So we're going to start again and build up our AI one step at a time. This is what our first step looks like. We've got the skier, we've got the finish flag that we're trying to hit, and we've got walls on the side and bottom. Here I'm controlling it to test it out, and it seems to be working well. So let's train an agent and see how it performs. Step 2 will be the same as step 1, except we'll sprinkle in some trees. Now that we've got our trees added, let's see how it works. As you can see, the skier almost always goes down the right side of the slope. This isn't what we want, and the reason it's happening is because we aren't spawning trees on that right edge. So let's take a look at our tree spawning code. See if you can find the problem, and feel free to pause if you want a moment to think about it. As you may have guessed, we're terminating our for loop one run too early. So with a little tweak, we're all set. Let's train some agents for step 2 and see how it goes. So that gives us a pretty good idea of how many total training steps we want. 10 million is too many, and 10,000 is too few. It seems that 200,000 is just right. Another thing is that I noticed the agent tends to go straight down when it spawns, and then go left or right to the target. We want the agent to weave through the trees. So let's adjust the way we're observing the trees. Currently, we're observing the position of each tree on the slope. Let's rework that to have some raycasts going from the skier pointing down slope, and we'll observe the distance for each raycast to the nearest obstacle. We'll also set up some line renderers so we can see what our raycasts are doing in play mode. As you can see, this isn't working very well. Our skier is just bombing it straight down the hill. I think the reason is that there's too much going on between the start and the finish. So let's add some rewards along the way and see if that works better. So Agent 4 is performing the same as Agent 3. So I think at this point we need to take a step back, read up some more on Unity's ML kit, and try to think of a different approach, because just trying things here isn't working very well. But at the moment, I'd like to end this video. Bye!